All right, got the piece done. Just gotta slap it on now. And this piece goes, it's gonna go right behind um, it's gonna go behind this panel here from the back because I want it to look clean. I'm like, man, this looks better than the front cover. That looks better. Damn. I guess you get better. I also had help cranking that B-roller. So that helps because every pass you make with that is a kink or it looks a little wavy. So yeah. So I just gotta get my I think I'm gonna drill that bad boy. What? There we go. I'm gonna drill that bad boy with this pistol. Drill it into the car. And it's gonna get done really fast like that. Alright, you guys have a blessed day.